International Labour Organization will have two priorities in 2016 for its activities in Uzbekistan. First of all, its implementation of the Decent Work Country Program, which was signed in 2014 for 2.5 years and will be extended for another 2 years until the end of 2018. Another priority is continuation of the ILO cooperation with the World Bank, focusing on combating child labor and forced labor. This cooperation is based on agreement with and political commitment of the government of Uzbekistan. Decent Work Country Program for Uzbekistan has three major components. First of all, it's strengthening social partnership in Uzbekistan for the realization of fundamental principles and rights at work. Another component is fostering decent employment opportunities, and the third one, improving working conditions and social protection. Probably the major focus will be on a first component that covers the longest list of activities. First of all, awareness raising materials and publications on relevant ILO labor standards and principles will be produced in Uzbek language and disseminated to constituents and broader audience. Another activities linked to the capacity building of stakeholders to implement the National Action Plan for the application of the ILO conventions on child labor. The third focus is on improvement of recruitment and employment conditions in cotton sector. In particular, a new survey will be conducted based on the information of the cotton harvest 2015 in order to have comparison with the baseline survey that was conducted earlier. And fourth element of the first component is capacity building of trade unions and employers' organization, as well as increase of the effectiveness of the national tripartite social partnership. Second component, focusing on fostering of decent employment opportunities, has first of all capacity building of the public employment services of Uzbekistan. That means the ILO will provide technical assistance and support to the elaboration of the new service model of the public employment services, as well as the training for the staff of the PES. On another hand, support will be provided to develop new active labor market measures to promote full and freely chosen productive employment. Within this activity, special focus will be paid to the youth employment, considering the specific situation of Uzbekistan. As regards improving working conditions and social protection, first of all, support will be provided to the Ministry of Labor and Labor Inspection to develop the effective national occupational safety and health management system. On another hand, the new partner for the ILO this year will be Ministry of Health Care, as due to the reform of the government system in Uzbekistan, all activities linked to the social protection will be shifted from the Ministry of Labor to the Ministry of Healthcare. When considering a project on cooperation with the World Bank that will last until 2017, the ILO will focus on continuation of the four major activities that have been started already last year. First of all, third-party monitoring on child labor and forced labor on the World Bank investment project areas will be continued, but considering the experience and lessons learned from the 2015, the new approach will be developed and agreed with the Uzbek counterparts. Second activity is on improvement of the established feedback mechanism that in particular needs broader, increased public confidence. Third element is awareness-raising campaigns. Those are linked partly to the Decent Work Country program, but on another hand, they need to be targeted better and to reach a broader audience to be more effective. And the last not least is capacity building with special focus on project implementation units both in agricultural and educational sectors, which are the target areas for the World Bank investment project in Uzbekistan.